In this video, we're diving into the HTML video element. We'll explore how to embed and control video playback in modern web applications. Get ready to learn how to bring your web pages to life with video. The HTML video element embeds video content in a document. It supports multiple video formats for cross-browser compatibility. Here's a basic example of how to use the video element. The video tag is used to embed the video, with attributes like width and height to specify the dimensions. The controls attribute adds the browser's default video controls. Inside the video element, the source tag is used to specify different video sources, like movie.mp4 and movie.webm, along with their respective types. The browser will use the first recognized format. If the browser doesn't support the video format, it will display the text "Your browser does not support video." Let's explore some key attributes of the video element. First, we have the controls attribute. This displays the default video controls, including play or pause buttons, volume control, and a seek bar. Next is the autoplay attribute. This starts playing the video automatically when the page loads. Note that it often requires the muted attribute for browsers to allow autoplay. The loop attribute makes the video restart playback from the beginning when it reaches the end. And finally, the preload attribute specifies how the video should be loaded when the page loads. The values can be auto, metadata, or none. Here are some additional video element attributes you should know. The muted attribute mutes the audio output of the video by default. It's often used with autoplay to ensure browsers allow automatic playback. The poster attribute specifies an image to be shown while the video is downloading, or until the user hits the play button. This acts as a thumbnail or preview. The plays inline attribute indicates that the video should play inline instead of in full screen mode, especially important for mobile browsers like Safari on iOS. Lastly, the width and height attribute sets the dimensions of the video player in pixels. The browser will maintain the aspect ratio of the video within these dimensions. The source element allows you to specify multiple media resources for video elements. The browser will use the first recognized format. Here's how to use the source element. Inside the video tag, you can include multiple source tags, each pointing to a different video file format, such as MP4, WEBM, and OGG. This ensures that the video is compatible with different browsers. MP4, encoded with H.264, is widely supported across browsers and devices. WEBM, using VP8 or VP9 codecs, is another popular format, offering good quality and open-source availability. OGG, with the Theora video codec, provides an open-source alternative, although with medium support. AV1 offers growing support and is another alternative format. The HTML video element provides a rich JavaScript API for controlling playback programmatically. Here's a simple example of how to use the JavaScript API. First, get a reference to the video element using document.querySelector. Then you can use the play and pause methods to control playback. You can also set the current time using the current time property and adjust the volume using the volume property, which ranges from 0.0 to 1.0. Some useful properties include duration, which gives the total length of the video in seconds, and current time, which indicates the current playback position in seconds. Common events include play, pause, ended, time update, and volume change. You can add event listeners to these events to trigger custom actions. You can create custom video controls by omitting the controls attribute and building your own interface with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here's a simple code snippet to illustrate how this can be done. The toggle play function checks if the video is paused. If it is, it plays the video and changes the button text to pause. Otherwise, it pauses the video and changes the button text to play. The update progress function calculates the percentage of the video that has been played and updates the width of the progress bar accordingly. Making videos responsive ensures they look great on all devices and screen sizes. Use CSS to create fluid video containers that maintain aspect ratio. Here's how to make a video responsive using CSS. Enclose the video element within a container div. Apply CSS to the container to set its position to relative, width to 100%, and padding bottom to 56.25%, which corresponds to a 16:9 aspect ratio. Then apply CSS to the video element to set its position to absolute, top and left to 0, and width and height to 100%. This ensures that the video scales fluidly with the container, maintaining its aspect ratio on all devices. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.